onoj strani me usmjeriti, na onoj strani mi gledaj Meli.
Ti pravi, pa idi na tem. Baba, ravno.
Tu gledam Meli, na onoj strani mi.
So, the T4s in a row. Doka. I love my dokas. There's another one. So, this is what the damage is when we take off the fender. Not bad. I think this will clean off good. Yes, not too bad, not too bad. Little bit of water, and that's it. Not after the bad part. You can see my feet through here. That's factory stuff, that's why they rust. And this all the way through here. But don't worry, we've got new bits. far as this one goes, one side is already finished. This one was quite bad, but now it's complete. Just needs a bit of body filler and paint, waxing on the inside, some finishing touches. This one will happen now. Needs new brakes all around, I think. Main service. Engine has about 500,000 kilometers on it. Even though it says the battery is not connected. It says 8,000 kilometers, but they do be lying. And needs a polish, a wash, bed taken off, frame scrubbed and painted. Looks bad, but it isn't. That's what they all say. But yeah, I mean, cap corners are good. It's just paint peeling. Bed is a little bit rough, but not too rough. Have to do some welding, but that's it. Sides are straight, full of junk now in the bed as usual. Fenders are the surface rust, no holes. I already washed the interior and that's gonna go in soon. We have wheels, Yokohama Geolander. Not too aggressive, but it'll do in the winter. Also new bolts. Correct one for these wheels. So they don't get undone. And I also picked up this hitch in Austria. It's gonna go beautifully on the back of this. It's brink made in the Holland. So I hope it fits. Haven't tested it yet. Need to pull off the rear bumper or at least see how it goes on there. So that's more for the next time, and we will see how things goes.